Welcome to part 4 of the ClaimExpress training series. In this video, we are going to show you the building process in ClaimExpress. So first you're going to go to www.claimexpress.com. Then you're going to log into your account. So the next step would be to go to your projects. So you would go to the list icon and go down to projects and click projects. Here's our list of projects. So once you've converted a lead to a project, it'll show up in this list. So we're going to go into this first one and go to the action drop-down and go into the details. Here we can view the details of this project. Every project should have a job entered in already. In this project, we have roofing asphalt shingle job. Sometimes there will be more jobs such as siding or gutters added along with it. So the next step would be to assign the suppliers and crews once you know that your pricing is correct. So to assign your suppliers and crews, you'll go to the tab at the top called Orders and Invoices. If you click on that tab, you'll see a material order for the roofing job, and you'll see a labor order for the roofing job. Now you can assign the supplier here and the subcontractor here. But if you're a project manager, you're probably dealing with multiple amounts of material orders and labor orders through different projects. So there's an easier way for project managers to access all of their material orders and labor orders that need to be assigned. And I'll show you how right now. You go to the list icon and go down to job orders. Click on job orders. And here you can see all of the material orders in this branch location that are assigned and are not assigned. So a project manager can easily come in here, and if he has a list of different material orders that need to be ordered out or assigned and projects that are ready to be built, he can look it up by the project ID or the order number and then go and assign it to the different suppliers. This is just an easier way rather than going into each project to assign it. And the same goes for labor orders as well. You'll just go to the different tab up here to labor orders, and here's our list of labor orders that can be assigned from here. So we're going to go back to that project and assign them from the project. Orders and invoices, and there's our material order and labor order again. So we're going to go ahead and assign this to a supplier and a crew. Now our orders are assigned. Now we're going to go to the View Print Email tab. Here you can see this is basically our report for the homeowners. And in this report, a fax cover letter prints, a thank you and project summary page, a contingency agreement, a contract summary, pricing and legalities, selling price items by jobs, photo pages, so any photos you have uploaded for this project will print in that report as well. Magnet templates. If you use a magnet board in your office, then a template will print with all of the job information on it already so that you don't have to write it down. A job orders page, a final invoice page, a change order and supplement page, a conditional waiver of lien page, and a workmanship warranty. So this report really comes in handy for all of your documentation. You can either email it out or you can download the report. You can also upload your own documents into this project. So if you have an Xactimate or an Eagle View that you want to upload, you can do it here. And then when you go to View Print Email, it will show up in your list of supporting documents, and you can check or uncheck it to have it print with the report. So once the job is built, you'll want to verify the material and labor orders. Once you receive the invoice for the actual material order and your labor order, you'll come back into the project and go to Orders and Invoices, and you'll click on this Verify button here and verify the different prices. So if your prices come in different, you'll want to go ahead and change it here, and then you'll hit go ahead and enter in the invoice number for the material order you received. So we'll say that the invoice number was 87649. The supplier was ABC, and the system will ask you if you need a supplement or change order. We'll say no. And then you can always put a reason in why you do or do not need a supplement. And then we'll hit save. So now we'll go back to Orders and Invoices, and you'll see here that the material order is verified, which means that that section is done. Now we'll need to go in and verify the labor order. Make sure everything's correct. If it has changed, you'll go ahead and change the prices for the different line items. Enter in your invoice number and put whether you need a supplement. Hit continue and save. So now we go back to Orders and Invoices, and both our material orders and labor orders are done, which means they've been verified. So once this happens, you're ready for the collect process of the ClaimExpress. In the collect process, we'll be talking about your accounts receivable, which is where you'll go to enter in payments once you receive checks from an insurance company or homeowner. We'll go into the details about verifying insurance companies and mortgage companies and making payments and deposits. So that concludes our video on the build process of ClaimExpress. Stick around for the next part where we'll be talking about the collecting process.